So today's video is not really a happy video. I need to kind of warn you guys all, you might get a little depressed when you hear the news. So recently I've heard of several Locksport packages being damaged upon arrival. Locks being dinged up, keys being bent. I know guys, I know, calm down. It's a sad day. I know, right? It's terrible. But don't worry guys, I'm here today to show you exactly how to package your locks for shipping. And the best part, it costs you next to nothing. Just depending on what it is I'm shipping, I have a couple of different things in this bucket. Most of this stuff I've gotten for free from the United States Postal Service. Now I'm going to leave a link to the USPS website where you can get all these nice little envelopes for free, again, for free. And all you have to do is basically register for an account and ask them to send these to you. Now you can actually pay for shipping to get them the next day, but if you just click for free, they're usually there within 3 business days, which isn't bad. It's worth the wait to get these envelopes though. Myself, I like to use these padded priority mail envelopes to ship most of my Locksport items, but it's only like $9. So that's another good thing. And it usually gets anywhere within the US in 2 days. Now, as you can see, I've also got a giant thing of a roll of bubble wrap here. This bubble wrap will last me quite a while. You guys know locks are small. You can just take a little square off of the end and wrap your lock. I'm going to show you exactly how to get them all wrapped. You guys know how the post office treats our mail. So it's important that we really wrap things up super tightly and with lots and lots of bubble wrap. So recently I got a package from G Keyman, and this is how the locks were packaged to come to me. As you can see, he has rolled them up into this bubble wrap that he has reused from another package or envelope, and he just let me know what these are for. Now, since these are just padlocks with no key for anybody who needs them, he didn't individually wrap them, but he still wrapped them pretty tightly so they can't bang around during transit. If you are going to package a really nice lock, let's say the beautiful logo lock that we got from E. Schlenz over at 44 Delta, if I was going to send this along with a couple of other locks, do you think it would be appropriate to just send this with the other locks all touching with the key in the lock? That would be a big fat no. You never ever want to send a gorgeous, beautiful lock packaged in with other locks without being protected. So I'm going to show you how to wrap this one up so that way that doesn't happen, and whoever gets it, it will be in pristine condition when they get it. So what we're going to do to package this lock is we're going to wrap it up, but we're not going to wrap it up with the key inserted. Why? Because if you wrap it up with the key inserted and it gets banged up, this key can get, bent. It can get bent. So you never ever want to put a lock in the mail with the key in the lock. You want to make sure the key is separated. First things first, we're going to wrap this one up very tightly. And what I would normally do with something like this is I would add the key right about here. Because look, it's right up against the lock and we've still got a little bit of bubble wrap left that we're going to roll this into. So I would put the key right about here and just keep rolling it like so. And now I'll probably tape one end of the bubble wrap to this side and one end to this side. And I'm just going to take my tape and go the entire way around this lock. Now, whoever gets it, yes, it's going to be a pain in the ass to open. However, your beautiful, beautiful logo lock will not be injured during transit. So make sure that when you're packaging any beautiful lock that you don't want to be messed up, that you do it like so. Now, like I said, G Keyman recycled some stuff that he had that had bubble wrap. So if you get this package, keep this bubble wrap. Undo it and keep the bubble wrap. Even if it's in pretty poor condition, you can still wrap a smaller Euro cylinder or a key with it, but keep all the stuff that you get things in so you can reuse it when sending out to the next person. Anyways, I hope you found this video to be helpful. Subscribe.